Hong Kong's weather patterns are shifting. Record-breaking black rainstorms are pushing drainage systems past their limits, resulting in flash floods that can submerge underground parking garages in a matter of minutes. This diagram outlines the financial reality of that water reaching a traditional elevator pit. Once the core components are submerged, repair costs easily range from $500,000 to over 1 million Hong Kong dollars per incident. The resulting weeks of downtime completely paralyze access for elderly and disabled residents. On top of the direct mechanical damage, owners' corporations face intense exposure to legal liability, steep insurance deductibles, and potential personal injury claims if the system fails while in use. The P-Guard Smart Elevator Flood Defense System is engineered specifically to eliminate these vulnerabilities. Over the next 5 minutes, we'll walk through the exact 3-step automated sequence P-Guard uses to detect rising water, move the elevator car to safety, and alert your maintenance team, all without requiring any alterations to your existing elevator wiring. The first step is active monitoring. The system maintains a continuous 24/7 watch over the lowest point in the building, the elevator pit. Look at this activation curve. The red line represents the point of catastrophic failure, where a traditional elevator shorts out. The blue line sits much lower. This is the P-Guard millimeter activation threshold. The precision optical sensor installed here does not wait for a deep puddle to form. It registers the very first film of abnormal water accumulation. The moment that threshold is crossed, the sensor initiates a millisecond chain reaction. Catching this microscopic accumulation gives the system the head start needed to outpace a rapid flash flood and protect the asset. Moving to step 2, we face an engineering challenge. The sensor at the bottom of the pit needs to command the elevator mechanism at the top of the shaft. Running new cables up a 30-story shaft is expensive and risks interfering with the original equipment. This diagram shows how P-Guard solves this. The signal routes to a green node, which acts as the localized brain, converting the physical detection of water into a high-speed IoT command. It features a highly durable housing, designed for hostile, damp environments, and runs constant self-diagnostic circuit checks so you know it is fully operational before a storm even hits. This comparison graphic illustrates the difference. Instead of tearing into the shaft to lay wire, P-Guard utilizes a wireless bridge. It beams the warning signal vertically through the air using telecommunications-approved frequencies. This completely bypasses the need for physical wiring. It allows for a true zero-alteration installation, meaning no structural changes to your building, no voided manufacturer warranties, and immediate system readiness. The moment that wireless command reaches the top of the shaft, the system redirects the elevator car away from the flooding basement. This schematic illustrates the result. The cabin automatically moves to a safe top floor and mechanically locks itself in place, isolating it from the rising water below. Because the car is locked safely out of reach, there is zero damage to the cabin interior, zero risk of water reaching the electrical systems, and zero chance of a passenger becoming trapped. Securing the cabin neutralizes the mechanical threat entirely. But the building's management team still needs to know exactly what is happening in real time. Returning to our diagram, we see the situation down in the basement. The storm is still escalating, and the water level is rising rapidly. Simultaneously with the lockdown, Step 3 triggers. The IoT system pushes a critical warning directly to the property management app, immediately notifying the owner's corporation and maintenance staff. The protocol at this stage is simple. Building management must not attempt to reset or manually override the locked elevator while the storm is active. By patiently letting the system do its job, allowing the water to fully recede, and waiting for a certified technician to inspect and clear the pit, you guarantee a safe, zero-damage outcome. Returning to this comparison graphic, we see the final result. Because core components were safely out of reach, repair costs remain at exactly $0, allowing an immediate return to service. P-Guard delivers a comprehensive 4-fold shield, preventing mechanical damage, eliminating downtime, and significantly reducing legal liability. Owners' corporations have a clear choice. Protect your residents by voting yes to install P-Guard. Secure your building's future, turning a disaster into a manageable event.